here at DS Diving Service. We're at the green Catilina blue hull. Let's see the Express. We're going to be doing a quick comparison video, so take a quick look. Alright, I'll go ahead and get the other side cleaned up. Thank you again for choosing DS Diving Service. Have a good day.